ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय पेज नंबर 486 इन भाष्य सेकंड पैराग्राफ यह सर्वज्ञः। This uddharanams we saw yesterday. This is Seshwarvadam Utthapayati. Yesterday there was one Anumanam. See on previous page in Tika. Jivo, second last line. Jivo Jagat Janmadir Hetu. Jagat Janmadi Hetu. Na Bhavati. Jiva is Paksha. Jagat Janmadi Hetur na Bhavati is Sadhya. Tatra Asamarthatvat. This is Hetu. Pashanavad. This is Drishtanta. Sansaritvat. This is another Hetu. Jiva is Asamartha like Pashana. Therefore, Jiva cannot be Jagat Janmadi Hetu. Okay. Now, Seshwarvadi. Yesterday, so a couple of things that came. One is on that same page. In Bhashya, there was fourth line from top. See, Nyaya Vidaha Sankhya Mimansakadaya. So, Nyaya Vidaha means those who take Nyaya Yukti as Mukhya. So, Sankhya and Mimamsakas, they are the ones who don't accept Ishvara. Nayayika, they accept Ishvara. Ishvara for them is Tatastha Ishvara. Tatastha means if something is going in Gangaji, that Ishvara is not going to stop anything. Nimitta Karana Matra is only a Nimitta in that way. Okay. So Seshwarvadi, Seshwara Sankhya, if it is said, it is like Yoga Darshan only. Okay, so here we should not take that one. Seshwarvadam, it could be a Vedantin also, because we all are Seshwarvadins. Okay. See in Bhashya. Mantras we saw, meaning I will explain now. Yaha Sarvajnaha Sarvavid means the one who is knowing everything. Samanyena Janati iti Sarvajnaha. Visheshena Janati iti Sarvavid. The one who knows all of them. Samanyena Janati means Sakshitaya. Visheshena Janati means Ishvara Rupena. In Anand Giriji's Tika, how it is given? Sarvagnya is through Maya and Sarvavid is through each individual Jiva's avidya. In that way he has explained. You can check this in Mundaka 119 Tika. Further, Ashanaya Pipase Atyeti, the one who transcends hunger and thirst. Ashanaya Pipase. Asango nahi sajjate. These are all the lakshanas of Ishvara. Ishvara is not affected by hunger and thirst. Ishvara is asanga. Asango nahi sajjate. Brahma is asanga. In Ishvara also the same lakshana will go. Okay. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी सूर्याचंद्रमसौ तिष्ठतः. So this is in Akshar Brahmana. In Brihadaranyaka, it will come later. Dialogue between Yajnavalkya and Gargi. This is with Gargi. Yaha sarveshu bhuteshu tishtan antaryami amritaha. This is Antaryami Brahmana. It will come earlier now. Sarveshu bhuteshu tishtan. That Antaryami is called Ishwara. Ishwara's sanya is Antaryami. And he is Amrita. Sa yastan purushan nihritya atyakramat. Tan purushan means other jiva. The one who transcends all those other jivas. Other jivas here you have to take as other devatas. Surya, Chandrama, all these devatas. Ishvara transcends all those devatas. Of course, other jivas also, but these mukhya devatas are also transcended by this Ishvara. And therefore, Bhishasmat Vata Pavate Bhishodeti Suryaha ityadi will work there. Sava Esha Mahanaja Atma Ajaraha Amaraha Amritaha Abhayaha. There, all these Lakshanas are for Nirguna Brahma. But there are two Lakshanas which are for Saguna Brahma also. So, the same mantra can be quoted for Nirguna Brahma as well as Saguna Brahma, depending upon what portion is where you are focusing. Sarvasya Vashi, Sarvasya Ishana. That is given later, you see. Sarvasya Vashi, Sarvasya Ishana. The one who controls all and the one who is the Niyanta of all, ordainer for all. Kesha Setur Vidarana. What does it mean? Sajjate. Sajjate is also, there are three readings. 3 times it comes in Brihadaranyaka. Twice, at least. 3 times, I don't know, but twice it comes. 24. Esha Setur Vidharanaha. Paramatma is Setuhu. Setuhu means the one who creates the bounds. Setu is in the form of Varnashrama Dharma Paramatma maintains. It is given somewhere in the Tippani. Next, Ya Atma Apahata Papma Vijaro Vimrutyuho. He is. So understood the Setu Shabda. Paramatma Setu is not like our Rama Setu, Janaki Setu. Means Setu has two meanings. One is Setu in the form of ability to cross something. This is not in that meaning. Setu here means bandhana. Si bandhane dhatu is there. Bandh in Hindi we say bandh bandhana. Like Terry upar, dam. That does not allow the water to go. What Ishvara does, those who are in specific Varna ashrama, they are given specific roles. They cannot transcend it. They cannot transgress it also. They have to be within that. So Varna ashrama vyavastha monitor Paramatma is. This is the Setu. And Ramchandra ji, Suti Setu Palaka is slightly in different concept. But Setu there is for Dharma Vyavastha. If you take it in that meaning, it will work. Ya Atma Apahata Papma Vijaro Vimrutyuhu Vishoko Vijigatso Apipasaha Satyakamah Satyasankalpah. That is the Shruti from Chandogya 8th chapter. So Satyakamah Satyasankalpa, that part is for Saguna Brahma. Apahata Papma Vijaro, all this is for Nirguna Brahma. Tat Tejo Asrijata, this is also Chandogya. That Paramatma creates the Srishti. Because Purvapakshi here said, Jiva is creating, Paramatma is not needed. So here he says, no, Ishvara is there. Atma va idam eka evagra asit nanyat kinchan mishat. Aitareya Upanishad. Na lipyate loka dukkhena bahya. This is Kathopanishad. Paramatma is unaffected. Ityadi Shruti Shatebhyah. Smriti is from Gita, Aham Sarvasya Prabhavaha. Prabhavaha means Prabhavati Sarvam Asmat iti Prabhava. That from which everything arises is called Prabhavaha. Aham Prabhavaha. Mattaha Sarvam Pravartate, from me everything spreads out. Iti Paro Asti Asamsari. Shruti Smriti Nyaye Bhyascha. Such a Karanam Jagata. Paraha Asamsari is there. See in Tika on previous page now. Tan Prithivyadi Abhimaninaha Purushan Nihruhya Utpadya. Did you find? Tan Prithivyadi Abhimaninaha. These are the devatas. Prithvi Abhimani means Prithvi Devata, etc. Prithivyadi Abhimaninaha Purushan Niruhya Utpadya Yo Atikrantavan Saha Eshaha Sarva Vishesha Shunya iti yavat. The one who, having created all those beings, transcends all of them. Atikrantavan Saha Eshaha Sarva Vishesha Shunya. And if you take it in Nirguna context, is Sarva Vishesha Shunya, Nirvishesha. Udahrataha Shrutayaha Smrutayascha. Shruti and Smriti are quoted, we saw. What about Nyayaha? Nyayastu, another Anumanam. Vichitram Karyam Vishishta Jnanavat Purvakam Prasadadau Tathopalambhat Ityadihi. Vishishta Jnanavat Purvakam. Vishishta Jnanavat Purvakam. How do you understand this Shabda? Online students? Okay, what is Paksha? What is Paksha? Vichitram Karyam is Paksha. What is Sadhya? Vishishta Jnanavat Purvakam. This much is the Sadhya. Vishishta Jnanavat Purvakam. Now you tell, okay, anybody from online, what is Vishishta Jnanavat Purvakam? This is Sadhya. What does that mean? Any Karyam will be Vishishta. आप बताओ. Karyam. Vishishta Jnanavan, there will be someone. Tat Purvakam will be this Karya. Vishishta Jnanavan has to be there who is going to create this Karya. So Vishishta Jnanavat Purvakam Yat Karya. Any Karyam, Vichitra Karyam means any Karya. Vichitra is only given as Visheshana. person who is creating something should have the knowledge of that. Ghatasya karta ghatagnyah, patasya karta patagnyah, jagatah karta jagatagnyah, sarvagnyah, karyasya karta karyagnyah. Whatever karyam you have to do, you have to have knowledge of that. Where do you see this vyapti? Prasadadau tatha upalambhat. Prasada, not prasada. Prasada means house, etc. So you see that person who has the knowledge of this, only that person can build this. If a jiva has to create this jagat, jiva should have knowledge of this. Jiva doesn't have the knowledge. Therefore, you have to accept some Ishvara different from jiva who is Sarvagnya. And that's why that Yas Sarvagnya Sarvavid was given. All these quotations are for that. This is the Nyaya. And one more thing I want to point out. See, when it is given in the Bhashya, we saw Shruti Smriti Nyayabhyascha, right? Or sometimes you just hear Iti Nyayat. Nyaya Shabda is used in different context. Like here, Shruti Smriti Nyayabhyascha. Here, Nyaya means some Anumana, some Yukti is there. So he gave a Yukti. Or Nyaya also can mean Brahma Sutra. Some Brahma Sutra Uddharanam, when it is given, it is called Nyaya. Like they will give Tadananyatvam Arambhana Shabdadibhyaha. So Brahma Sutra, yes, we saw two sutras earlier. Brahma Sutra Uddharanam also is referred by Iti Nyaya. So Nyaya Shabda can work for that. That is second meaning. Third, there could be some Laukika Nyaya. Prakshalanadhipankasya Duradasparshanam Varam Iti Nyayat. So there Nyaya Shabda means some Laukika Yukti is there, that instead of touching the mud and then washing the hands, don't touch it. So Iti Nyaya or Nyaya Shabda, and then when sometimes if they say Iti Nyayat means it could be something that Nyaya Darshan accepts. Unless all the other options are not there, it could be according to Nyaya Darshan. So any meaning could be there for the word Nyaya. We have to know that. Okay. Now see further. Tika. Purvapakshi says, the prakarana is of Jiva. How can you bring Ishvara in here? Prakaranam anusritya Jivasya pranadi karanatvam uktam smarayati. Prakaranam you have to follow. So if prakarana is of Jiva, because he had Jagrata Avastha, he had Swapna Avastha, in Shushupti, then it was said he is Etasmat Pranadaya. All these Pranadi Utpatti is from this. So then Jiva Prakaranam was there. Jivasya Pranadi Karanatvam Uktam Smarayati. Nanu Bhashya. Evam eva asmad atmanah iti samsarinah eva utpattim darshayati iti uktam. Shruti talks about utpatti of pranadi from samsari, jiva. Suddenly, why are you saying Ishvara is the topic? Siddhanti, Sitika, Nedam, Jivasya Prakaranam, iti pariharati. This is not the Prakarana of Jiva. This is the Prakarana of Ishvara. There is one small stool. Give her. You can sit on stool. It will be easy for you. आगे से लिखा. सी टीका नेदम जीवस्य प्रकरणम इति परिहरति न इत्यादि न य एषो अंतर्हृदय आकाश इति परस्य प्रकृतत्वात् अस्माद् आत्मनः इति युक्तः परस्य एव परामर्शः. Siddhanti says no. Why? Because ya esho antar hridaya akasha tasmin shete, this part was there. So now this akasha shabda, what was the meaning of the akasha? Akasha is Ishvara. Atma, Akash means asamantat kashate iti atma. Akasha. Akasha shabda. Brahma Sutra is there. Akasha stallingat. So Akasha shabda is for Paramatma. Bhutakasha is not taken there. Iti parasya prakratatvat. So para is the prakaranam. According to Siddhanti, Siddhanti is saying prakarana is of Paramatma, not of Jivatma. Parasya prakratatvat. Asmad atmana iti yuktah parasyaiva paramarshah. So when it is said asmad atmanah pranadhyayah, so asmad means from Parameshwar, Paramatma. Purvapakshi is not going to give up. He see the tika. Prativachanastha akasha shabdasya paravisayatvam asiddham iti ashankya. Prativachana, that answer that you gave to my question by using the word akasha, and that akasha shabda refers to Paramatma. Akasha shabdasya paravishayatvam asiddham iti ashankyaha. Ashya क्व एष तदा अभूत इति अस्य प्रश्नस्य प्रतिवचनत्वेन आकाश शब्द वाच्यः पर आत्मा उक्तः. Two questions were there. क्व एष अभूत and कुत एतद् आगत. So इति अस्य प्रश्नस्य प्रतिवचनत्वेन आकाश शब्द वाच्य पर आत्मा उक्तः. The answer to this question was Paramatma. य एषो अंतर्हृदय आकाशस् तस्मिन् शेते इति. Whenever there is Srishti, it is Saguna Brahma. So you have to understand, even if Nirguna Brahma Vakyas are going on, and suddenly if they say, from it comes something, so you add Maya also there. Nirguna Brahma plus Maya, you will have Srishti, not otherwise. Right? In Bhashya, सता सौम्य तदा संपन्नो भवति अहरहर गच्छन्त्य एतं ब्रह्मलोकं न विन्दन्ति प्राज्ञेन आत्मना संपरिष्वक्तः. These are all different quotations. First is छांदोग्य सता सौम्य तदा संपन्नो भवति. सता, सता means सत शब्द तृतीया विभक्ति. सता, with sat this jiva becomes. So that is important because jiva has to become one with Ishvara, and then where he comes from that Ishvara. From there alone pranadi have come. Aharahar gacchantya etam brahmalokam na vindanti. This is a different quotation. Every night we become one with Brahma. And when we night or daytime also, those who rest in the day, we come out of that, but we don't remember I was one with Brahma. Brahma means you should understand Saguna. Why Ishvara? Let me ask. Why every night we become one with Saguna Brahma and not Nirguna Brahma? That is, you have to clearly give the answer.
Because not everyone is Jnani.
Because, what is that?
Not everyone is Jnani. For the one is Jnani, so he go to the Susupti. So even at that time, he doesn't know he is Brahma. So he is one with Saguna Brahma.
What happens if Ajnani becomes one with Nirguna Brahma?
No, Swamiji, because avidya is there. He
No,
becomes
my question is what will happen?
becomes one with Saguna Brahma. Sure.
Why Saguna? I say my question is, what if in Sushupti Ajnani becomes one with Nirguna Brahma? Huh? The answer is he will not come back. Because our Siddhanta is the one who becomes one with Nirguna Brahma doesn't come back. And he is Ajnani, he has to come back. Therefore, he goes to Saguna Brahma only. Now let us say Jnani goes to Saguna Brahma. Then what will happen? If Jnani goes to Saguna Brahma, then what will happen? So, even after moksha, he becomes one with Saguna Brahma, he will come back. Not only in Sushupti. Even at the time of Pralaya, if he merges with Saguna Brahma, there is return. We have discussed all this in Mandukya, Vaitathya Prakarana, no, not Vaitathya, Agama Prakarana, Dvitiya Karika. All this is discussed. Therefore, their Prana Shabda Nirvachanam was going on. Therefore, in Sushupti or after death or after Pralaya, Ajnani will go only to Saguna Brahma. And from Saguna Brahma, Yad Gatva Nivartante. From Nirguna Brahma, Yad Gatva Na Nivartante. There is no return. So there is a stop before, and that's why we go, that's why Brahma Loka Shabda is given. Na Vindanti. Then, next quotation, Prajnena Atmana Samparishvakta, not Ka. Samparishvakta. In that book, it is correct? Samparishvakta. So, as Prajna, Jivatma becomes one with Ishvara in Sushupti. Then Para Atmani Sampratishthate. Then there is Ba or something that is to be eliminated. Pare Atmani Sampratishthate. They all become one in Para Atma. Ityadi Shrutibhyaha Akasha Shabdaha Para Atma Nishchiyate. He says Akasha Shabda, what is the meaning of Akasha? Bhutakasha you cannot take because there is no prakaranam of Bhutakasha, Akasha, Vayu, Agni, that there is no such prakarana. Prakarana here is of that where Jiva goes in Sushupti and that has to be Ishvara. So here Akasha should mean Ishvara. In Brahma Sutra, such discussions are there. What should be the meaning of the word Akasha in this mantra? Varieties of ways in which Brahma Sutra deals with topics. Certain things are where Purvapaksha Khandanam is there, like Ikshaterna Shabdam. So Ikshanam is to do Sankhya Nisheda. Here, this kind of context, what is the meaning of the word Akasha or Prana? Somewhere Prana means Ishvara. Like in that Chandogya mantra, Disham Disham Patitva Anyatra Ayatanam Alabdva Pranam Eva Upashrayate. Their Prana is Saguna Brahma. So now Prana can have so many meanings. Prana can be Pranapana, Prana can be Hiranyagarbha, Prana can be something else. We say no, Prana here is Paramatma. So this is the objective. So how do you interpret some Shabda is already discussed earlier in Brahma Sutra. And Bhashya will be based on that to do the Sangati. So you can't interpret something as you want, and then when you read Brahma Sutra and you see that you are getting contradicted, whatever you said is not true. And that's why they used to say that when you study Prasthantra completely, then you start teaching, or the person who teaches you Upanishad, let us say, or Gita, that person has already studied Brahma Sutra. So that person will interpret this word only in this way. And at that time, if you say this meaning can be there, that meaning, you see Brahma Sutra. There is a Vijnanam for everything. Then Dahara. This is Dahar Vidya, there also you see. Daharo asmin antarakasha iti prastutya. Tasminneva Atma Shabda Prayogacha. In Chandogya, 8th chapter also, Dahar Akasha. So Dahar means small space. That small space is called small is called Dahara actually. Daharaha asmin antar akasha. Antar akasha means chidakasha. That is Chaitanya. So akasha shabda referring to Chaitanya. Iti prastutya tasmin eva atma shabda prayogacha. Sitika itascha akasha shabdasya paramatma vishayata ityaha. Akasha shabdasya paramatma vishayata. Akasha shabdah paramatma vishayah. या आत्मा अपहत पापमा इति आत्म शब्द प्रयोग है. एंड देयर आत्म शब्द प्रयोग इज देयर. या आत्मा अपहत पापमा. फर्दर इन टीका प्रतिवचने परस्य आकाश शब्द वाच्यत्वे फलितम आह. प्रतिवचन मीन्स उत्तर. इन उत्तर परस्य आकाश शब्द वाच्यत्वे पर इज रेफर्ड बाय द शब्द आकाश. व्हाई फलितम आह? Prakrita eva para atma. Here Prakrita means Prakarana is of that Paramatma. Tasya Prakritatve labdham artham aha. So if that is the Prakarana, then what is the meaning arrived at? What is to be concluded? That is said in Bhashya, Tasmad yuktam evam eva अस्माद आत्मनः इति परमात्मनः एव सृष्टिः इति. Therefore, it is appropriate to say that सृष्टि is from Paramatma iti. Srishti is not from Jiva. Jiva part is negated. संसारिणः सृष्टि स्थिति संहार ज्ञान सामर्थ्य अभावम च अवोचाम. And for samsari, he doesn't have, samsari means jiva, does not have the ability to do srishti sthiti samhara and jnana samarthyam. What is samsaraha? If somebody will ask, what is samsaraha? What is the definition? Samsarati iti samsara. In any context, samsara. If somebody wants to know what is the lakshana of samsara, asamartha, kriyakaraka phala rupa samsara. What was the answer online?
Kartrutva bhoktritva iti samsara.
Kartrutva bhoktritva iti samsara. Kartrutva bhoktritva lakshana samsara. This is given in Vedanta Sara. Kartrutva bhoktritva lakshana is samsara. Or samarthya bhava, those are all derived meanings. Kriyakaraka phala is samsara. Kriyakaraka phala rupa samsara hai in Bhashya. Parichinnatva. Kartrutva bhoktritva, this is in the Moolam. All other derived meanings can be there. Cha avochama, you see 13 number tippani. Yan Mahata Prapanchena, in that 13 number tippani, page number 485 you have to see. Page 485 in Bhashya, second last line. Mahata prapanchena sthapitam, right? Just before that, samsarinopi jagat utpatti sthiti laya kriya kartritva vijnanasya abhavat. Samsari doesn't have all this, all of that. So that is what is referred there. So Tippani, because some here the Vakya says, Yan Mahata Prapanchena Ityada Viti Sheshaha. So Shesha means how do we connect in this way from that page. So what he started on page 485, that topic he is concluding here. This much is the Nigamana. Now, there is somebody else. So earlier one Purva Paksha was there who said Srishti is from Jiva and let go of Ishvara. Now somebody else is there who will say Jiva and Ishvara both are there, but Jiva is different from Brahma. See, Asti Ishvaro Jagat Karanam Brahma Tadeva. So here you can see Asti Ishvaraha Jagat Karanam Brahma. So Ishvara and Brahma, sometimes they are used as Paryayavachi, synonyms. But strictly speaking, you will say Ishvara means Saguna, Brahma means Nirguna. But in Brahma Sutra also it is very similar. You will not know whether Saguna Brahma is being discussed or Nirguna. Only when specifics are there, he will separate. Acharya will separate. Otherwise, Ishvara Shabda, Brahma Shabda, both will be used interchangeably. Tadeva Jivasya Swarupam Tasyayam Upanishad iti Siddhantam Ashankya. So now he says, Jagat Karanam Brahma Tadeva Jivasya Swarupam. That is the Swarupa of Jiva. And this is the Upanishad. This is what is said in the Upanishad. Iti Siddhantam Ashankya Dushayati. Atra cha Atma iti eva upasita Atmanam eva ved Aham Brahmasmi iti Brahma Vidya Prastuta. This is Vidya Sutra we saw earlier, 147 and 1410. Tika Tritiyo Adhyayah Saptamyarthah. Saptamyartham Anuswara you remove. Only Visarga. What is Tritiyo Adhyaya? Upanishad Kramena Prathama Adhyaya. That is probably said in Tippani. Saptami. What is, where is Saptami?
Atra.
Atra. Atra is Saptami. Ka punaha sa Brahma Vidya iti tatra aha. What is that Brahma Vidya? Tatra aha Brahma Vishayam cha in Bhashya. Brahma Vishayam cha Brahma Vijnanam. Brahma Vidya means that which has Brahma as its Vishaya. Iti Brahma Vidam Prasiddham iti Sheshaha. This is very well known to Brahma Jnanis. Brahma te Bravani. Chaturthe cha Brahma Vidya Prasuta. Chaturthe means Dvitiya Adhyaya. In this Adhyaya, Brahma te Bravani. Who said? Gargya.
Ajata.
No, not Ajatashatru. Brahma Jnapaishyami iti. Who said? Ajatashatru. And what is Prarabdham? Prarabdha means Arabdha. This is not Prarabdha has anything to do with Prarabdha. The topic started by this. Means the Upakrama says it is of Brahma only. So in between suddenly Jiva topic will not come. When Ajatashatru Raja said, I will teach you Brahma, then why would he talk about Jiva? Because Purvapakshi said the topic was of Jiva. So now he is making it clear it was of Brahma. हाँ, ब्रह्म विज्ञानम इति। Which page? Previous page, last line. हाँ, आत्मेत्योपासित आत्मानमेव आत्मेत्योपासित विद्या सूत्र 147. अच्छा, no, I explain. Atmetyopasita means when you are sleeping and somebody wakes you up and says, "What is Vidya Sutra?" It should come out. That much. How I don't know how many times I have repeated this. 200 times at least. Atmetyopasita is the focus on which the entire Brihadaranyaka Upanishad is standing. Okay. Avidya Sutra is discussed and concluded in first chapter, and then he said that Atma was not elaborated. That's why this chapter and everything else is its elaboration. Tasya lopaha brahma jnapayishyami iti prarabdham. टीका सत्यम अस्ति. ओके. प्रस्तुता ब्रह्म विद्या सा जीव विद्या अपि भवति. दिस ब्रह्म विद्या कैन बी जीव विद्या. वाई जीव ब्रह्मणोः अभेदात् इति आशंक्य तत्र इदानीं वी विल सी इन द फॉलोइंग सेशन. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.